Friday's workday comes to an end, I'll hang my hammer in the shed. When the bills are piling up and the money's running low, she'll lay me down and I'll forget. Fragile as a flower, pretty as a pearl, she's my good time girl. When the sun comes up and it's beating through my window, the light pounds hard against my head, and I feel her warm breath blowing on my elbow. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Fragile as a flower, pretty as a pearl, she's my good time girl. I've seen a million girls and I've kissed about a dozen. Not one has ever shared your name. Maybe one day you'll go and find another.
Alright, so this is me going, I don't know, it's like, I think it's like almost a kilometer from the beach to that part of it. So it seems like, it feels like I'm in the middle of the ocean, and I'm just trying to catch the end part of it to show you the most beautiful view I have ever seen for, I don't know, for a couple of months, let's say. And just breathe and try to think about nothing. Feel this energy for water, because I'm aquarium, and I guess I feel something when I'm standing close to water. Doesn't matter if it's just simple water, no, it matters. Nobody here, nobody, just me and this ocean. Let me show you. Okay, so it seems like not a big distance from this point where I'm standing now and the beginning of this path, I don't know. So it seems like not big distance, but actually it is. I was going here for 10 minutes, it takes time, but I am so happy. I am so happy to stand here and to feel the same feeling that I used to feel before the war started. That word is amazing and everything will be alright. The future is so bright, and you can do everything you think about. That was my thoughts before the war. I brought when the war started, and I was thinking about, I'm gonna back to Ukraine, I'm gonna do everything I wanted, I have this power, I have this energy. And after the war started, most thoughts that came to my mind were not so bright, were so depressive. It seems like the world just stopped for me, the life just stopped for me. But standing right here and enjoying this little moment, I'm feeling like I'm still alive and the life is continuing, and you just have to do everything you can do to help yourself and your country to have this future. It's very important right now, just do not lose your mind and trying to stay steady, mentally steady. So this is the best way, I guess. I have this opportunity and I'm so grateful to God that I'm alive and I'm standing here and I have this opportunity to be. So let me show you just a little bit of it.
When Friday's workday comes to an